What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix the report to Ralof bug in Skyrim. So, as you can see here, I have Ralof here with the quest marker after the rescue from Fort Nugrod quest. But as you can see, he is not at Fort Nugrod, and instead he is at the Stormcloak camp outside of Whiterun. He is not supposed to be here, and he is incredibly bugged out, repeating lines over and over. And this is not Fort Nugrod. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the terminal, click on him to get his ID here, fast travel to Fort Nugrod, then go into Fort Nugrod, and then coming over to the middle of Fort Nugrod, or the main room in Fort Nugrod, and then open up the terminal again, and then type move to player. Now, this is going to teleport Ralof to you, and he is going to progress in his dialogue.
Great work. Get back and report our success. I'll stay here and clean up the mess. Glad you were here. Couldn't have done it without you.
And as you can see, we now have completed report back to Ralof, and also liberate Falkreath Hold. And now, you go and report to Ulfric Stormcloak. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. If you want to see more videos like this one, go ahead and subscribe. This is Arch, and I will see you in the next video.